Hello there! Welcome to our reporting, and for this video, we will be reporting about the PayPal financial technology. I, Carl Christian M. Laag as the group leader.
And I'm John Alexis Altona, the consolidator.
I am Reynaan Balamad.
I am Jandil Sultan.
I am Christian K. Mila.
I am Renel Ryan Mina.
My name is Jose Leonard Panis.
Forget fumbling for cash or writing checks. PayPal burst into the scene in 1998, revolutionizing how we handle money online. What started as a simple way to send funds digitally quickly transformed into a global financial powerhouse. Imagine a world without the instant gratification of online shopping. PayPal made the world a distant memory. From individual transfers to powering massive online marketplaces, PayPal influence is everywhere. It's not just about sending money. It's about unlocking economic opportunities, connecting buyers and sellers across continents, and making digital commerce frictionless. This fintech giant continues to push boundaries, constantly innovating and adapting to stay ahead of the curve. PayPal isn't just a payment system, it's a symbol of the digital age, a testament to the power of seamless, secure, and global financial transactions.
PayPal Holdings Incorporation is a global financial technology corporation that allows consumers and organizations to safely and easily make digital payments and money transfers. PayPal was founded in 1998 and is headquartered in San Jose, California. It operates in over 200 regions across the world and accepts transactions in over 100 currencies. The company provides a diverse set of services, including online payment processing, mobile payment solutions, peer-to-peer money transfers, and merchant services. PayPal also owns prominent brands such as Venmo, Zoom, and Braintree, which provides its presence in the digital financial services business. PayPal, which is also known for its security, speed, convenience of use, remains a global digital economy leader. So the company provides a diverse set of services, including online payment processing, mobile payment solutions, peer-to-peer money transfers, and merchant services.
So, technological innovations of PayPal. PayPal has introduced several new technological innovations to revolutionize commerce, focusing on personalization and streamlining the checkout experience for both merchants and consumers. The first technological innovations of PayPal is faster checkout, AI, and passkeys. Significantly reduces checkout time, improving customer satisfaction and potentially increasing conversion rates for merchants. The next one is Fastlane by PayPal, one-click guest checkout. Streamlines the purchasing process for both returning and new customers, leading to increased sales and reduced cart abandonment. The next one is PayPal Smart Receipts, AI-driven recommendations. Increases customer engagement and drives repeat purchases. And the last one is PayPal Advanced Offers, AI personalized offers. It allows merchants to target specific customer segments with relevant offers.
In this part, how does PayPal makes money? Transaction fees. PayPal charges merchant and consumer fees for each transaction completed on each platform. These fees are based on a volume of activity or total payment volume. Fees are also charged and currency conversion, cross-border transaction, fund transfer, cryptocurrency transaction, and miscellaneous fees. In this part, how does PayPal makes money? Transaction fees. PayPal charges merchant and consumer fees for each transaction completed on each platform. These fees are based on a volume of activity or total payment volume. Fees are also charged and currency conversion, cross-border transaction, fund transfer, cryptocurrency transaction, and miscellaneous fees.
How does PayPal makes money? Value-added services. PayPal generates revenue through partnerships, referral fees, subscription fees, gateway fees, and services offered to merchants and consumers. The company also earns interest and fees on its portfolio of loan interest and interest on certain assets underlying customers' balances. PayPal also makes money through Venmo revenue. Venmo, owned by PayPal, generates revenue from both transaction fees and value-added services. Venmo allows free money transfers but charges fees for additional features and perks like credit cards, instant transfers, and payroll check cashing.
The future business and the industry. PayPal is well positioned to play a significant role in the future business and industry, especially as digital finance and e-commerce continue to evolve. Here's a look at what the future might hold for PayPal and its impact. Number 1. Expansion in digital payments. Example is growth in e-commerce. As online shopping continues to grow globally, PayPal stands to benefit as a trusted and widely accepted payment platform. Number 2. Integration with emerging technologies. There are two examples for this: AI and machine learning, and blockchain and crypto. For AI and machine learning, PayPal is investing in AI for fraud detection, personalized financial services, and better customer experiences. For blockchain and crypto, PayPal also allow users to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency. Future plans could involve deeper blockchain, like facilitating crypto-based payments and smart contracts. And for number 3, expansion into financial services. There are two examples for this: digital wallets and super apps, and buy now, pay later. For digital wallets and super apps, PayPal is moving toward becoming a super app, offering payments, savings, investing, credit, and even shopping deals in one place. For buy now and pay later, with its acquisition of companies like Paydi and the launch of its own BNPL services, PayPal is entering the customer credit space more aggressively.
Number 4. Globalization and inclusion. Cross-border payments. PayPal is working to make international transactions faster and cheaper, aiming to support global commerce. Financial inclusion. With services for underbanked population and support for small businesses, PayPal can help democratize access to digital finance. Number 5. B2B and enterprise solutions. Merchant services. PayPal is expanding its suite of tools for business, including invoicing, subscription building, and advanced analytics. Partnerships. Collaboration with platforms like Shopify, Meta, and Amazon will likely deepen and allowing PayPal to become further embedded in the B2B ecosystem. Challenges to watch. Regular scrutiny as PayPal expands into financial services and crypto. It will face increasing regulation, competition from finance startups to giants like Apple Pay, Google Play, and Stripe. PayPal faces intense competition. Security risk. As cyber threats grow, PayPal must continuously invest in robust security measures.
So the closing part of this report. So PayPal, a global financial technology giant, has transformed from a basic digital payment service to a global leader in the industry. Despite challenges like regulation and competition, PayPal's flexibility and strong market reputation have allowed it to consistently lead the space in digital finance, ensuring it remains a leader in the digital payment space. The company's early adoption of artificial intelligence and machine learning, together with its frictionless checkout systems like Fastlane and the introduction of smart receipts and advanced offers, which are personalized tools, are clear indications of the company's determination to keep ahead of the technology curve. These facilities are not only making user experience hassle-free, but also they are adding value in terms of fees and services, which in turn are contributing to the growth of Venmo platform and ultimately leading to huge revenues. Thank you for watching our video of the report PayPal Financial Technology.